morning, children. In our previous class, we have discussed in SST chapter 3 about history of transport and means of rural transport, for example, tractor, cycle and bullock cart. Means of urban transport, that means in cities, for example, motorcycle, truck, monorail and trains. So children, today we will study about three means of transport, which are land transport, water transport and air transport. Our first topic is land transport. This is used for movement on land. Railways and roadways are two major means of land transport. Roadways connect cities, towns and villages with each other. Indian roads are divided into three divisions: National Highway, State Highways and District Road. National highways connect the major cities of our country, important towns and cities within a state connected by the state highways. Indian railways are the largest in Asia. Today, electric and diesel trains provide all types of comfort to passengers. Metro trains are found in big cities like Delhi, Mumbai and Kolkata. They run on either elevated tracks, that means it is not covered, it is in air, you can see the air, or underground tracks. This metro is underground. Okay, children. Our next topic is water transport. Water transport provides slow means of transport. It is a cheap means of transport. Big rivers like Ganga, Brahmaputra and Yamuna are also used for transporting people and goods. The inland waterways in lagoons have boats and steamers that transport people and goods. Children, ships carry heavy loads like heavy machinery, automobiles, etc. from one country to another. Children, our country has 11 major ports and 40 small ports. Mumbai is India's biggest port. Our next topic is air transport. It is the fastest means of transport. It was started in India in 1911. Air transport is becoming very popular in India these days. Our country has more than 50 airports. Some major international airports of India are Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport in Mumbai, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport in Kolkata. And this is the Chennai International Airport. Now children, look here. Sometimes aeroplanes and helicopters drop food items in the flooded areas. Helicopters are used at places where aeroplanes cannot land. They are also used by the government for important activities. So children, read this chapter very carefully. Be safe. Thank you.